donut, please.
Hi there. Do you want to hear how the jungle animals sound?
Sure, let's go. In the jungle, what's that sound? Let's look high and look around. Big and small, near and far, animal sounds are who they are. Lion says roar, 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 roar. Lion says roar, 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 roar. Loud and strong, king of the land, hear that roar, oh, isn't it grand? Elephant says toot, 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 toot. Elephant says toot, 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 toot. Swinging trunk and stomping feet, that's the sound that can't be beat. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Climbing trees and jumping high, monkey laughs up in the sky. Parrot says squawk, 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 squawk. Parrot says squawk, 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 squawk. Colorful wings that flap and fly, hello, it says from way up high. Snake says hiss, 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 hiss. Snake says hiss, 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 hiss. Sliding slow through grass so green, that's the sneaky sound we've seen. Frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. Frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. Jumping, splashing, jungle rain, sing that sound again and again. Roar, toot, ooh, ooh, ah. Squawk and hiss, ribbit, la la. Sing along.